Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuwiseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10,000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15,000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand. Loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit. Vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Aye, my baba ijaro kula imbacha danuna jiti we hambo kwa wala bawulavi itazuku ba. Yeah, nilakubulabula ku why album ya Soul Makam yinga humanga. Ndaminika 3 reasons ta kahle to khomeka ene ka lava nga le ka music industry swi ta maka much more sense. Ka lava ngo holwela swi nga endleka swi nga endli sense hi mhaka ku they don't understand the business of it. Ku na vanhu vo tala like they try to check with me ku Soul Makam i kwini, like I won't even know drop anyone but mitele like some the missionary leswi mhaka van'wana va vona content ya mina la a hi nge na swi tiva why ku fanele ku va responsibility ya meya ku haxa mahungu na. So loko Soul Makam i le Zimbabwe kumbe Soul Makam i khomiwini kumbe Soul Makam i le Mozambique kumbe Soul Makam i le Durban kumbe i le ka Mdavula, just be rest assured ku na swi tiva but it's not in my like why ni fanele ku byela hi namba mali no tlanga ntinchu no chance. But let us deal with the fact that HIV Makhense page 10 wahoo why nga ma xin'wana xi nga endleka i ku teka album ya Xichangana ya chava wahoo phela ku ri mihlolo leswi a nga swi endlela se swi va swi komba ku yi nga humi album. First let's deal with the marketing. Loko cheka HIV Makhense page 9 leya va signature a nga yi endlelangi clip, mara loko ta cheka Soul Makam page ya le Rhandzu ra movie i endleleni clip ya ka ku Rhandzu ra movie, and then it was very intentional about that clip because ata ange hi endla that clip ku promote music. So this album it was poorly marketed, that's number one. In a sense you can tell Guru is not into it. Number one, he never gave us a date. Even when he knew the date is coming close, he never gave us a date. Because ever since he disappeared, he never like gave us a direction of where the album is. He made one video before I China, and then he made that video to be seen by membership that is at a higher level in his channel. So he never gave us a date. That was another thing that you could tell the album is not going to come out. Right, so the marketing was not at great level that we would expect from him. Nah, he was not even dramatic about it because we took this issue Soul Makam Kumun Maputo Mozambique as a serious issue to in such an extent we thought it drama. Even though kata post an album yinge home Friday because as talk that is the last Friday October our message album. People still believed it's a marketing strategy, so like people believe Soli is this smart giant. No that they can't pick it up because everything he says is from a genius, like now that he started pulling some stunts every time he can just pull Rivonia, do some stupid things. People never believe anything that he says now. Because they know he's capable of that and he gave us soul. So look, album you home as Nkambi. When you invest, what is the return? Like look, yasha much tamatis for a resale, or mashavisela kula kumashavis. So a swi kona swa ku u nga xava matamatisi u nga yi voni return ya kona. Let's say for argument's sake Solly Makam is in Zimbabwe. I kume an acting gig leyi n'wi tekaka for so long a ri Zimbabwe a ri ku acting. That means that he doesn't have time for his music. Let us say also, for goodness sake, the album was finished, which I doubt. Maybe he might not have mastered, maybe I should have seen or stuff like that. Record it, but mastering and fixing that and that is to studios. Let's say for argument's sake, so he lives in Zimbabwe. Loko u cheka nqambi yin'wana na yin'wana handle ka Oscar Makama, nqambi yin'wana na yin'wana loko yi humesa tinsimu, yi humesa album, yi va yi targete ngopfu leswi yi endlelaka swona music, leswi yi targetaka swona, leswi yi vonaka swa yi benefita financially. So number one, Solly Makama ile Zimbabwe. That is for argument's sake. Ile Zimbabwe. It means loko u humesa album, he will do the numbers. Like most definitely that's Solly Makama for you. You will do the numbers. That's number one. Number two, he will not be taking gigs for that album. That is the main reason he didn't release an album. Like sometimes the way about some minutes, so talk to meeting someone who mess like the gig, so knock by album and the gig. So that is the major reason why album ya Solly Makama yi nga humanga hi mhaka ya ku loko album yo huma hambi yo trendisa ku yini yena i ta va a nga ri kona ku performa maka wa ha ri kume an acting gig kwi a Zimbabwe. Man twisisa. So that is the main reason, because loko o release album if a nga ri kona, he won't get bookings stuff and Oscar Makama. But loko arko was talking, you will get bookings like number one year 17 is sure. Because as soon as the album drops, you will get a gig. Ni sure ambi Oscar Makama ai targeting yana ku ita tlhaveriwa nyana me igagashi nyana loko Solly Makama humesa because va ta buwa va ri thukwa le. So that's part to it. Solly Makama has an event in December 2025. I think it's 24th. That also add value and a motivation not to release an album in his absence. And I can tell you now, Solly Makama, we might not see him up until that event. He may release the album a weekend before, and then he goes perform that album there. The return of a prodigal son, the return of a lion. That's why if you check Machim Juan, the way they're promoting that event and himself as well, there's no way you won't be there. You will be there. Itababuye in Zimbabwe. Itababuye. There's no way. So in December, I will be there, and I think if we are popping, he won't take these small gigs. He will take the first time he performs. So Solly doesn't love drama. He loves man. He won't do it. If it was someone who loves drama, he was going to say, "I'm not going to come back. I'm going to come back on that gig." This solution, he won't be like that event. But it's monetizable. It's a big event, so you can even do a video. My first appearance will be there, so come through. So many people will want to see him. Good, inati tattoo tale Mozambique tava muito obrigado está João Mariano mas está vi, and then yala de novo, you know. So main reason was he won't get gigs after releasing the album. Secondly, also is going to use the album to market the event as well, and this drama thing that keeps him on even when he's not around, you know. So that's all.